Well, passing showers of snow continue across the valley, hit and miss, and some of this activity is taking place where the radar just can't see the snowflakes falling. We've had reports in the Thief River area. So we take a look at the radar right now, the deepest blue showing the largest flakes down near the South Dakota border. So hit and miss flakes of snow do continue. Here, moving eastbound is a wave of slightly bigger flakes likely, and this is putting a slippery coating on road surfaces. Reports southbound on 29 if you're driving that way of some ice-covered roads. So glare ice could be a problem for southbound I-29 travelers. Also westbound in the western part of the Dakotas near Dickinson, some snow on road surfaces there as well. It is 12 in Devils Lake and Jamestown. Right now, Grand Forks, you are at that same reading, holding in the mid-teens for many in Lakes Country and northwest Minnesota, 19 in Roseau. Right now, 19 as well in Fergus Falls. Here's a peek at the wind chill index, and right now we're already dipping down to 2 below in the Minot area. Not a ton of wind in the Southern Valley right now, but enough of it up north to make it feel like single digits, so bundle up. Overnight, here's what we expect to happen. Watch by my kneecaps down here near the South Dakota border. A chance for some expanding and blossoming snow there. Could put a ½ inch on the ground in places, maybe even an inch. Then as we go through the overnight hours, the wind picks up, folks, and it's going to really usher in another burp of cold air. And some passing showers of snow in northwest Minnesota will be a possibility, keeping our roads very slippery. Now factor in wind to these temperatures, and many of us will feel like it's about 5 to 10 degrees below zero as we start our Friday morning. Friday midday, the Deer Gun opener in North Dakota. Things look quiet, a little breezy, and maybe even a little bit of sunshine in the far west for us. Clouds in Minnesota. Increasing wind throughout the late day in our southern counties, but by and large, another cold day, more wind. We're talking 15 to 25 miles per hour out of the northwest, so it will feel blustery all day with wind chills likely in the single digits above and below zero. Fargo, 11 to start, 23 in the afternoon is all we'll muster. Maybe a little bit more sunshine in our day, though. The snowflakes you see flying there, not in Fargo, but down at the South Dakota border from our Dakota Magic Casino camera. 15s in Langdon and Devils Lake tomorrow afternoon on your way home from school. In Detroit Lake, 17, 20 in Grand Forks, and 19 for you in Breckenridge and Wahpeton. Bonus coverage for Saturday hunters out there. Now, we will have south winds as we go through the early hours with snow moving from the Williston area and the oil patch to the south and east throughout the area. As we go through the afternoon, it will push into our area, and that means some accumulation by Saturday night could make those roads quite slippery. How much are we talking about? In our area, around an inch or so, but our western counties, Carrington, Jamestown, and points west, 1 to 4 inches of total snow. Tiffany capturing another beautiful barn out there. Thanks for taking the time to upload your photo. Now your forecast. Saturday, we talked about that chance of snow lasting into Sunday morning in Minnesota. We stay cold to start next week as well. And we are talking about temperatures finally warming up a pinch as we get into Wednesday. 38 gorgeous degrees there. And when I say gorgeous in the 30s, you know we have become acclimated to colder weather.
Yeah, not quite acclimated, but we'll take the 38, 40, whatever.
Take it slow on the roads through the weekend.
Thank you.
The 23